how to customize the channel art of your YouTube channel. Okay, so once you've gone into youtube.com, on the top right hand corner, not this one here because that's for your Gmail, but this one here, this is for YouTube. Click on that and then click on your channel. So once you've come into your channel, especially if it's a brand new channel, it'll be like this. Right here on the right, click on customize channel. Okay, so on the left here, you'll see the little pen icon or pencil icon. Click on that for the logo. It will say edit channel icon. Your channel icon is linked to a brand account. Changes may take a few minutes to show on your channel. Say okay, so just click on edit. It takes you to your Google account. So click on upload photo. Your browser window will come up. So just basically navigate to where the image that you want to add. So I'll just navigate to mine. Click on that. Okay, so an image comes up. You have an opportunity to crop. So if you grab the corners, you can crop wherever you want, but I want the full image. Once you're happy with what you have, click on done. And now your image has been updated. Okay, so close this browser here and you'll return to YouTube. If you actually click on the refresh button on the browser, you'll see that your profile picture has been updated. Now for the channel art right here, you want to click on add channel art and the window pops up. And just right here, it's a little bit like the opacity is a bit low, but it says you recommended channel art size should be 256 by 1440 pixels, and the maximum file size is 6 megabytes. Just keep that in mind when you're creating a channel art. So select the photo from your computer. The window comes up. Navigate your way to where your banner art is. Choose the image. Let it upload. Okay, so before you accept, it's just going to show you how it's going to look on a desktop, on a TV monitor, and on a cell phone. So if you want to adjust it just so that it can fit, you can always adjust it and then come back to this. There's an enhance button right here, the bottom right hand corner. You can click on that. And it just does a little bit of tweaking just to make the colors pop, add some contrast to that. But if you don't want that, I don't want that, so I'm just gonna check off that. You can also adjust the crop, so you can click on adjust the crop. Here you can always crop it further if you just want one section of the image. But I'm happy with how it is. I might change that later, but for now, for this video, I'm happy. Click on select. It's just saving if you give it a moment. And congratulations, here is your channel banner art.